outside 19 Mayne Close. This property is detached. It's got 4 bedrooms. It's modern. Behind me here you can see the garage, which is now converted into what could be an annex. It's got a single bedroom and a little kitchen and shower room, but it's also got it could work as a craft or workshop. You can see as well behind me you've got some lovely views over towards Launceston town as well. The house itself is very well presented, and if you want to find out more, look at the video and you'll see everything you need to see, and then book a viewing.